Hello guys, we're back with another video and today we're going to show you where my dad got from. Where?
Where do you think you got it from? And let's get a story first. So I bought you some headphones. We've done a review of some ear headphones that were quite expensive and quite recent. That means you got them recently, and it means that he's broken them.
No.
Haven't you?
No.
Yes, you did. He kept it in his sports bag and got crushed with a football boot and ruined.
No, I broke it before that, you know.
You broke before that?
Yeah, because my bag, all the books pressed it and then it's... No, it was a thing. It wasn't twisting properly, so I twisted it and it popped off. Yes.
Right, so we got these instead. And if you break these, I'm going to break you.
Oi. These are the...
Do you want to show people?
These are the soundcore by Anker.
Anker.
Whatever that is.
Why did you get these?
Because they look nice and obviously they're good quality.
How much were they?
30. No, $29.99.
Open them then.
That's actually a good price though. You got to say.
Yeah.
Better than your ones.
Be quiet. My Samsung ones are perfectly good.
50.
Where are they anyway? They're not 50. I didn't got them for 50. I got them from Amazon cheap. They were cheap. By the way, cheap white ones.
No, they were 50 because they went down from 100 and something
they were
to 50.
50.
Shall we check them?
Be quiet. Just get yours. We're doing this video on this, not talking about that nonsense. Ignore that. Okay, go on. Show.
Instructions.
I'm sure it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, you do care because when look, so it's got all the stuff here, how to do it, pictures for people who don't like reading.
The air pieces, obviously. The charger.
Touch control.
Samsung one, I think. Yep. And then
Or whatever Samsung equivalent, whatever you call it, you know.
the air.
Hurry up then, just show it up here. You got to show it to people.
Okay, let's open
They
it.
look cool, yeah. Fox was cool.
Oh, you've got a tab on here. Looks nice.
Right, look.
So you got a tab on the right one, yeah, and the left one. Oh, they look clean, you know. Oh, they're on. They're working. Wait, let me try and pair it.
Where's your phone? Let me put it to his phone. So they've got like the little sign there. You've got the earbud thing. I think these ones that stick out your ear, like those weird iPhone nonsense, weird things like they stick like something's broken off, sticking out your ear.
How can you tell if it's on or not?
Well, just.
No, I don't think it's charged.
You sure?
Yeah.
Should we take these sticky labels off? So you got these sticker labels. So where does it say? Just the left one. Just left one. A little tiny bit there. So there's the left.
Wait, let's see on the instructions. It says.
I'm sure you have to charge it.
Soundcore. Power on and pairing.
Power on. How do you power on?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go. You found it?
Yeah. No.
Well, it came on then.
Something came on.
Look, Galaxy Buds. What's the W? Oh, that's your ones you ruined. So you're just waiting for it to do what it needs to do. Anyway, they're like normal kind of like buds. You've got these extra.
Apparently, it has a really good noise cancelling.
Very good noise cancelling.
Yeah, and another thing is the stand. Look.
Different thing. Oh, yes, stand like go and show 'em.
There's a
You've got a stand
on the
it's
back.
a full flip.
On the back.
Flip it. Very cool. And then show 'em, demonstrate.
Everything. Like that.
That is so clever. Turn it around. You're really thingy. It's wicked. That's
Pretty
so
cool.
Clever. Really clever. But I could see that breaking off if you're not careful, especially you. So anyway, we can't see a good deal, can we yet?
Oh, it's on.
Is it?
Yeah.
We'll do something. So it sticks a bit out of the ear, all I can say, but not as much as those weird iPhone weird ones. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're.
I know. I did. Let's put something on.
Put something on. Put talk on. Put YouTube on. Put it on.
That's really noise cancelling, you know.
Put something on. There's anything. We're going to run that thing, because we now have excuse us, we don't have these, we don't have our thumbnails and stuff anymore because I'm doing it directly from the phone because my laptop's too slow. So I have to do it directly from my phone and I can't do limited videos.
Try them on.
Well,
try them.
No, just, can you hear it? Do you try it?
Yeah, they're so noise cancelling, you don't understand. Look.
Go on.
Can you hear anything?
Yeah, really good.
I'm not even put a bit of noise on.
Go on, turn up.
Can you hear?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, quality's brilliant. Really nice and deep, bassy kind of quality.
Really good.
So, how do they compare to the headphones? Be honest.
Better. And this doesn't.
And they don't fall out. When you shake a look, they're in there now. Show them. They're in there, so when you shake them up, fall out. You're going to have to keep them safe, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so do we like them? Are the little bud things to bite for your ears?
Yeah.
They fit in nicely. You don't want to fit nice, so you've got different sides. So you might as well keep that. Keep the box and everything.
It's really good, you know.
You charge them up a normal kind of, USB charger, and the kind of, I can't remember the exact name, but the Samsung kind of, connector for Android phones, Samsungs and all that. So that's okay. So just show them the box and
noise
stuff.
cancelling, hands-free.
Hands-free viewing, yeah.
It's funny.
Yeah, so that's box. Going to show the box of what it says about them. So if you want to read, you can kind of pause. Don't know if you can get that. Yeah. A bit on to charging. Yes, that's about the charging phone. About the phone charging thing in the case, which is really clever. So that's what they are. Would you recommend them?
Yeah. You can have it transparency. So when someone's talking to you.
Yeah.
Or not transparency.
So you've got crystal clear calls. You can make calls with these as well, which is excellent. 10-hour playtime, 45 hours in the case. I don't know what that means. When in the case, powerful sound with 10mm drivers. What's that mean?
I don't know.
And automatic noise cancelling adapts to your environment. That is good. So, yeah, there you go. There's stuff again. So, are we happy with them?
Yes.
Worth £30?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So, nice little box. Nice setup as well. So, shall we leave it at that then?
Yeah.
So we finished now?
Yes.
Okay, go on then.
Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Yeah.